Good morning, Yogi Clan. I hope you are doing well on this. Well, for me, it's Saturday in April, and it's a rainy Saturday. It is a nasty Saturday. Although it's supposed to clear up this afternoon. So you may be thinking, Yogi, two things. You're under quarantine. Why are you riding? Number two, it's raining. Why are you riding? Reason why I say that is today is kind of a special day. So if you remember from last weekend, I did a video on a ride that we did for our brother Mark. And I put two of his favorite songs out there, Victory in Jesus and Amazing Grace. Well, today, his preacher from Bend Avenue Free Will Baptist Church, we'll give them a plug, is coordinating what he's calling like a love parade type thing. Now, there have been a few other YouTubers out there who have talked recently about, how YouTube is a community and how they really value the community of people that YouTube gives them. Well, I am in a motorcycle club, and my man Mark is one of my brothers in this motorcycle club. And we are a community also. And just like it's Jarhead6 is the YouTuber that I watched actually the video this morning where he talked about community and the friendships that he's made through YouTube. Well, I agree with that 110%. I have made a lot of new really cool friends through YouTube, but I've also made a lot of really cool friends through being part of the motorcycle community. And as Jarhead6 mentions, how awesome is it to know that you have a group of people supporting you? Well, the same thing goes for Mark and from our motorcycle club. Now, to give you a little history, well, actually, before I dive into history, let me just introduce myself. My name is Yogi. Welcome to Yogi Cycle Service. If you are new here, I appreciate you stopping by, and I ask you to check out some of my videos. If you like what you see, give them a thumbs up, mash that subscribe button so you can be advised when future stuff's coming out. So thank you for stopping by and checking out this video. I hope you like it. I hope it goes together as kind of I have it thought out in my head. If you're a returning subscriber, man, thank you again for watching one of my videos. I truly appreciate it. So to give you a little history, Big Mark grew up in this area, I believe. He's lived in this area generally for most of his adult life. He is a truck driver, and if you know anything about North Carolina, specifically Concord, North Carolina, where I'm going to is Kannapolis, North Carolina, home of Dale Earnhardt. That's where Bend Avenue Free Will Baptist Church is located, which is where we're heading. Now, Mark, being a truck driver and being involved in the racing community for a number of years, has, most recently the company that he drives truck for, they sponsor, I believe it's a truck in the truck racing series. And he drives the big rig and hauls around the race car, the race truck. But he's driven for, I believe, quite a few different race teams over the years of his life. So he was very active in the racing community. So his preacher Don is trying to rally the troops to get some of the hot rod car owners and also some of the motorcycle clubs and the motorcycle community out here to support him. We're going to do a parade. We're going to go by his house. That's what's on the table for today, and it really, what's that designed for? Designed to show that he's got a community of support and a community of people who love and care for him, behind him, supporting him as he fights this silent killer that's attacking his body. My brother's struggling, and we want to show him that there is a large community of people behind him to help him, to encourage him. We don't want him going through this alone. We want him to know that there are people here who care and love him. So let's get out, let's form up in a parade, and let's show our brother some love. So there you go, Yogi Clan. I will see you at the church, and we'll make this happen. So thanks for watching.
No, I think that's South Carolina. I think that was retro. How are you?
How's it going?
Good. How about you?
Good.
You want to give a plug for your channel?
Absolutely. Retro's Rant and Raves. Check it out on YouTube. And Retro Threads on Instagram.
Right on.
Amen.
Later.